Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem that many laptop users may encounter. So imagine this scenario. You have a trusty Dell M6700 laptop that serves as a reliable desktop replacement for everyday tasks like checking emails, scrolling through social media, and streaming videos. However, recently you've run into a bit of a hiccup. The Bluetooth functionality on your laptop has become quite unreliable. Now, let's delve into the solution for this pesky Bluetooth issue. If you find that none of the USB ports are working as they should, the culprit might actually be your laptop's power supply or battery. Some laptops, like the Dell M6700 with its powerful i7 processor, rely on the battery to provide an extra boost of power during peak usage. A weak battery could be causing the Bluetooth and USB port issues you're experiencing. By replacing the battery with a new one, you can potentially restore both Bluetooth functionality and the USB ports. It's a simple and cost-effective solution that can breathe new life into your laptop. In summary, we've tackled the problem of unreliable Bluetooth functionality on your trusty Dell M6700 laptop and discovered that a dying battery might be the root cause. By following the solution of replacing the battery, you can potentially resolve both the Bluetooth and USB port issues. So don't wait for your laptop to stop completely, take action and enjoy a fully functional device once again. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time.